Hey everyone, Unstoppable Journeys here to help you become your best self. Ever wondered how small habits can lead to massive changes in your life? Today, we're diving into small habits that can change your life. Our goal today is to show you how small, consistent actions can lead to significant improvements. These habits are especially useful for young professionals seeking motivation and personal development. So, if you're ready to make a big impact with tiny steps, stick around. Kickstart your day with a morning ritual that energizes you. Imagine waking up and dedicating just 10 minutes to activities like meditation, exercise, or reading. These small practices can set a positive tone for the rest of your day. By starting your morning with intention, you'll find yourself more focused and motivated. Planning your day the night before is a game changer. It helps you set clear priorities and tackle tasks efficiently. Use tools like a planner, Trello, or Google Calendar to organize your schedule. When you plan ahead, you're less likely to feel overwhelmed, and you'll be better equipped to handle whatever comes your way. This simple habit can drastically improve your productivity and reduce stress. In addition to planning your day ahead, take a few minutes at the end of the day to reflect on what went well and what could be improved. This reflection time allows you to celebrate your successes and learn from any setbacks. It's a powerful habit that promotes self-awareness and continuous growth. Incorporate short bursts of physical activity throughout your day. You don't need to spend hours at the gym to stay active. Simple actions like taking a 5-minute walk every hour or doing quick stretches at your desk can make a big difference. These small movements keep your energy levels up and help you stay focused. Establishing a consistent sleep routine is vital for your overall well-being. Aim to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Quality sleep is essential for cognitive function, mood regulation, and overall health. By prioritizing a regular sleep schedule, you'll feel more refreshed and alert throughout the day. Preparing your meals at home using fresh ingredients is a habit that can benefit your health in the long run. Experiment with new recipes, incorporate a variety of vegetables, and limit processed foods. Cooking your meals not only allows you to control what goes into your body, but also fosters a deeper appreciation for the food you eat. Spend a few minutes each day practicing mindfulness or deep breathing. This simple habit can reduce stress and improve your focus. Whether it's in the morning, during a lunch break, or before bed, taking time to center yourself can make all the difference. Mindfulness helps you stay present and more attuned to your emotions, which is crucial for maintaining mental clarity. Expressing your thoughts and emotions through writing can be a therapeutic practice. Start a journal where you can jot down your reflections, goals, or simply unload your mind. Writing regularly can help you process your feelings, track your progress, and gain insights into your inner world. It's a self-care habit that promotes emotional well-being. Engage in a creative activity that brings you joy and relaxation. Whether it's painting, playing an instrument, or crafting, carving out time for creativity can reduce stress and boost your mood. Creativity allows you to express yourself freely and tap into a different side of your personality, fostering a sense of fulfillment and happiness. Dedicate at least 15 minutes each day to learning something new related to your field. Continuous learning is key to staying competitive and growing in your career. Use platforms like LinkedIn Learning or Coursera to access a wealth of resources at your fingertips. This small daily habit can significantly enhance your skills and knowledge over time. Seek guidance and insights from experienced professionals in your industry. Establishing mentorship relationships can provide valuable advice, perspective, and support on your career journey. Whether it's through formal mentorship programs or informal connections, learning from those who have walked the path before you can accelerate your professional growth and development. Invest time in building your personal brand both online and offline. Curate your professional image, showcase your expertise, and engage with your industry community. Consistent branding across platforms like LinkedIn, personal websites, or networking events can help you stand out and attract opportunities. By actively shaping your personal brand, you can position yourself for career advancement and visibility. We've covered small but powerful habits in daily routines, health, mental well-being, and professional development. From starting your day with intention to incorporating short bursts of physical activity, maintaining a regular sleep schedule, cooking healthy meals, practicing mindfulness and journaling, engaging in creative outlets, continuous learning, seeking mentorship, and building your personal brand. Each of these habits can lead to significant improvements in your life. Remember, it's the small, consistent actions that lead to big changes over time. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Start implementing these habits today and watch how they transform your life. Stay unstoppable.